Hello, everyone. Welcome to another useful episode on English with Altaf. Today, we are going to learn about daily mental exercises that will help you think in English faster. These tips are practical, simple, and very effective for learners at any level.
Yes, friends, if you practice these daily mental exercises regularly, you will see a clear improvement in your fluency and speed of thinking in English. So let's begin.
Altaf, thinking in English is the biggest problem for many learners. They know words, grammar, and even sentences. But when they try to speak, they translate from their native language. That slows them down.
Exactly, Ikra. Thinking in your mother tongue and translating into English takes time and causes hesitation. That's why today's topic is very important for students who want to speak fluently and confidently.
So, let's start with the first mental exercise, describing what you see. Whenever you are alone, try to describe things around you in English. For example, I see a chair, the fan is on, or my phone is on the table. It's a great way to start thinking in English naturally.
Yes, and you can even describe people, like, she is wearing a yellow dress, or he is walking fast. This exercise makes your brain active in English, and slowly your thoughts will shift from your local language to English.
The second exercise is talk to yourself. It may sound funny, but it really works. For example, when you wake up in the morning, say to yourself, I have to brush my teeth. I am getting ready for work. Or I am going to make breakfast.
And don't worry about mistakes. The goal is not to speak perfect English. The goal is to think in English. Talking to yourself helps you use daily vocabulary, and your brain becomes more comfortable with the language.
The third one is use English for planning. Plan your day in English. Say something like, today I will complete my assignment. I will meet my friend at 5 p.m. Or I have to go shopping in the evening.
That's a great one, Ikra. You can even write your plan in a small notebook in English. This way, you are mentally training yourself to organize your thoughts in English instead of translating.
Now let's talk about the fourth exercise. Replace simple thoughts with English sentences. Let's say you're feeling hungry. Instead of thinking, मुझे भूख लगी है, try thinking, I am feeling hungry. Make it a habit.
Yes, replace your daily thoughts step by step. Start with simple ones like, I'm tired. It's hot today. I am bored. I want to eat something. It becomes easier with practice.
The fifth mental exercise is use mind maps. This may sound a bit advanced, but it's very helpful. For example, choose one word like travel and think about everything related to it. Airport, packing, hotel, flight, passport. Try to create a mind map in your brain and talk about it in English.
You can even speak or write a few sentences about each word. For example, I packed my bag last night. My flight is at 10 a.m. I will stay in a hotel near the beach. It makes you use vocabulary creatively and improves thinking speed.
The sixth one is my favorite. Watch and repeat. Watch short English videos and after each sentence, pause and repeat it loudly. This improves listening, pronunciation, and thinking speed.
Absolutely. And after repeating, try to make similar sentences. If the speaker says, I went to the market yesterday, you can say, I went to the park yesterday, I went to school yesterday, and so on. That's how your brain becomes faster at producing English.
The seventh exercise is picture story practice. Look at any picture and try to create a story about it in English. Even a simple photo with people in it can help. You can say, "This is a family. They are eating lunch. The weather looks nice." This builds creativity and fluency.
Yes, and it's fun too. You don't need to write, just think in your mind. If you practice this for 10 minutes every day, your English fluency will improve like magic.
Now let's move to the eighth one. Practice common situations. Imagine yourself at a restaurant. Ask yourself in English, what would I say to the waiter? How would I order food? Practice lines like, "Can I see the menu?" Or, "I'd like to order a sandwich."
You can do this with many situations, talking on the phone, going to the doctor, booking a ticket, shopping, meeting someone. All these mental exercises make your brain ready for real conversations.
Another very helpful exercise is ask and answer simple questions. Ask yourself questions like, what did I do yesterday? What will I do tomorrow? And then answer them in English. Yesterday, I studied English. Tomorrow, I will visit my aunt. This trains your brain to think fast and use the correct tense.
Yes, and you can change the questions daily. What is my favorite color? Why do I want to learn English? Give answers with full sentences. This makes your thinking in English very active.
Let's now talk about the 10th exercise. Use English while using social media. When you see a picture or video, think about how you can describe it in English. Try to write a comment or caption in English. Even short lines like "beautiful view" or "what a nice idea" help you think in English.
Right, and also change your phone's language to English. It sounds simple, but it forces you to see and use English every day. This builds a strong connection between your brain and the language.
So, friends, these were our daily mental exercises to think in English faster. If you do these exercises daily, even for just 10 to 15 minutes, you will start seeing a difference in your speaking and thinking skills.
Yes, and the best part is, you don't need a teacher or a classroom. All you need is your mind and your time. These are self-training methods that really work if you stay consistent.
Let's quickly review what we've learned today. Describe what you see. Talk to yourself. Plan your day in English. Replace your thoughts with English sentences. Create mind maps. Watch and repeat videos. Picture story practice. Practice real-life situations. Ask and answer questions. Use social media and tech in English.
Excellent summary, Ikra. Remember, fluency comes with practice, not just knowledge. If you train your mind to think in English daily, your fluency will grow naturally.
So, keep practicing these exercises and let your brain become comfortable with English. That's all for today's video.
Thank you so much for watching English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep growing, and think in English every day. See you in the next video.